Collect employee details, documents, and signatures in one place. Track work progress and capture real-time data from the field. Submit receipts and approvals without paperwork. Record deliveries, capture proof, and sync data instantly. Track equipment usage, log inspections, and manage inventory in one streamlined form. With Fareclock Forms, you don't just collect data, you can also provide it. Embed videos or guides directly within the form so workers can watch training materials, acknowledge understanding, and sign their acknowledgement all in one seamless process. Streamline data collection, save time, stay accurate, only with Fareclock Forms.